Welcome to Learn Yourself. In this video, we are going to learn some multiple choice questions for the chapter number 2, Is Matter Around Us Pure? Our first question is, which of the following statements are true for pure substances? So here we are looking for the characteristic property of pure substance. Now sentences are, pure substances contain only one kind of particles. Yes, this is true. Second, pure substances may be compound or mixture. This is not true because pure substances can be compound but they cannot be mixture. So here, pure substances can be compound but they cannot be mixtures because it is a mixture of more than two substances. So mixtures are not pure substances. Third, pure substances have same composition throughout. Yes, this is true. Pure substances can be exemplified by all the elements other than nickel. This cannot be true. So this is also wrong. So here we got two statements correct, that first and third. So first and third option we get it in the B. So B is the correct option. Second question. Rusting of an article made up of iron is called. Now first of all, rusting is a chemical change. Chemical change is a permanent change. Now let us see the options. Corrosion, and it is a physical as well as chemical change. So this is wrong. It is not a physical change. Dissolution, and it is a physical change. No, this is also wrong. Corrosion, and it is a chemical change. Correct. The process is named as corrosion. The rusting of iron is known as corrosion. So yes, the option C is correct one. Let us go through the option 4 also. Dissolution, and it is a chemical change. Chemical change is correct, but it is not a dissolution process. It is a corrosion. So option C is the correct one. Third question is mixture of sulfur and carbon disulfide. First of all, sulfur and carbon disulfide will mix and it will form colloids. And we know that colloids are heterogeneous mixture and they will show the Tyndall effect. Now let us see the option. Heterogeneous and shows Tyndall effect. Homogeneous and shows Tyndall effect. Heterogeneous and does not show Tyndall effect. Homogeneous and does not show Tyndall effect. So does not show Tyndall effect is wrong. Homogeneous is also wrong. Heterogeneous is correct. Homogeneous is wrong, but Tyndall effect is correct. So here heterogeneous and Tyndall effect. So both of the option in A is correct. So option A is correct for this question. Question number 4. Tincture of iodine has antiseptic properties. This solution is made by dissolving iodine in potassium iodide, iodine in Vaseline, iodine in water, iodine in alcohol. So iodine in alcohol is a correct option. Question number 7. Which of the following are homogeneous in nature? Homogeneous mixtures are evenly mixed and you cannot see the particles of different substance into that. They are thoroughly and evenly mixed. Here we have 4 options. Ice, wood, soil and air. These options, wood and soil, both are heterogeneous and we can see their compositions are not even. So our options are ice and air. So these both are homogeneous in nature. So first and fourth are homogeneous in nature, ice and air. Question number 8. Heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particle do not dissolve and remain suspended. Throughout the solvent and solute particles can be seen with naked eye is known as. So here we have to answer that this characteristic properties belongs to which type of solution, which the particles will not dissolve, will remain suspended and we can see the particles. So colloidal solution, supersaturated solution, sublimation and suspension. So here they have said suspended and that is a clue for the correct answer, that if the particles are suspended then it is suspensions. Question number 9. In tincture of iodine find the solute and solvent. So we know that in tincture of iodine there are two substances, iodine and alcohol. Iodine is a solute and alcohol is a solvent. So we have to find out the correct option from this. that alcohol is solute. No, this is wrong. Iodine is a solute and alcohol is a solvent. So B option is the correct one. Question number 10. Sol and gel are example of. They are example of solid liquid colloid and liquid solid colloid. So option B is the correct option. Question number 11. The continuous zigzag movement of colloidal particle in a dispersion medium is called Brownian movement. Question number 12 is a pure substance which is made up of only one kind of atom cannot be broken into two or more simpler substance by physical or chemical means is referred to as compound. No, we can break the compound. Element is the correct option. Yes, that it is made up of only one kind of atom and we cannot break it. Molecule, we can break it. Mixture, we can separate it by physical mean. So all the three options are wrong, whereas element is the correct one. Next question is, in a water sugar solution, what is a water and what is a sugar? Sugar is a solute and water is a solvent. Option B is a correct option. Next question is, which of the following property does not describe a compound? They have said here does not describe. So we have to look for the property which is not true for the compound. Whenever the multiple choice question will be there, you have to read the question very carefully. Option A is, it is composed of two or more elements. Yes, it is true. It is a pure substance. It is true. It cannot be separated into constituents by physical mean. Yes, it is also true. We have to choose chemical method if we want to separate them. It is a mixed in any proportion by mass. No, it is wrong. There will be a fixed ratio. Whenever we are making a compound, there will be a fixed ratio of element and the molecules. By that only we can make a compound. So option D is not true for the compound, and that's why that is correct answer for this question. Our next question is the amount of solute present per unit volume or per unit mass of solution. So when we are taking amount of solute divided by the volume of solvent or solution, whether it is volume by volume or mass by mass. In all these cases, we are finding out the concentration of the solution. So the option D, concentration of solution, is the correct option. Alloy cannot be separated by which method? Chemical, evaporation, extraction and physical. So via chemical method we can separate the alloy. Evaporation is also a physical method. And extraction is again a chemical process by which we can separate the alloy. Option D is a correct option, that we cannot separate alloy by physical method. Next question is, brass is a mixture of zinc and copper. CO here represents cobalt, so this is wrong. Zinc and copper is the correct option. Next question is, boron and carbon are metalloid and non-metal respectively. Metal, non-metal and metalloid respectively. So boron is metalloid and carbon is non-metal respectively. Next question is, zinc and copper get mixed by forming brass. This is an alloy which we will get it from zinc and copper, and the name is brass. Next question, the component of solution that dissolved in solvent is called, now solution we are getting from two components, that is solute and solvent. So here solvent they have already given. Now solute we are dissolving into the solvent. So the answer is solute. Next question is, which of the following are physical change? Physical change means we can reverse this change. This change is not permanent and this change is temporary. So melting of iron metal. Yes, this is a physical change because again it will become solidified. Rusting of iron, this is a chemical change and we cannot revert this change. Bending of iron rod, yes, this is a physical change. We are not making any new substance and we can reverse this change. Drawing a wire of iron metal. So yes, this is also a physical change. First, third and fourth. Option C is the correct option for this question. Air is a mixture. Which kind of mixture? Heterogeneous, gas, solid, homogeneous. Air is a homogeneous mixture. Next question is a component present in more quantity in solution is called. Now as we discussed, solution is made up of solute and solvent, in which solvent is liquid and the quantity of solvent will be more compared to solute. Solute will be less and it will get dissolved into the solvent. So let us check the question again. A component present in more quantity in solution. So more quantity of solvent will be present into the solution. Next question is, which of the following are chemical changes? Decaying of wood, yes, it is a chemical change. Burning of wood, yes, it is a chemical change. Sawing of wood, no, it is a physical change. Hammering of nail into the piece of wood, this is also a physical change. It is not a chemical change. So first and second, option A is the correct one. Our next question is, two chemical species X and Y combines together to form a product P, which contains both X and Y. So here our reaction is when X will combine with Y, it will give us product P. Now X and Y cannot be broken down into simpler substances by simple chemical reaction. We cannot break them down into more simpler form. That means they are element. If X and Y were compound, then we could have break them by simple chemical reaction. But here they have said that we cannot break them down into simpler substance. That means they are element. When two elements are mixed together via chemical reaction, and the result we will get is a compound. So here this P product is our compound. Now let us check that what all statements are true for this reaction. P is a compound. Yes, it is true that P is a compound. X and Y are compound. This is not true because here we have seen that they both are element and we cannot break them down further. X and Y are elements. Yes, this is true. P has a fixed composition. Yes, this is also true. Whenever the substance is a compound, then it is made up of fixed ratio of reactants and its composition is fixed. So the fourth option is also true. Now here first, third and fourth option are correct for this question. So option D is correct for this. Next question is, if the solute particle size is smaller than this, then it cannot seen by naked eye. So if it is smaller than 1 nanometer, nm stands for nanometer, then only we cannot see it via naked eye. Our next question is, the amount of solute present in the saturated solution at this temperature is called its, at this temperature means at room temperature. We have not raised the temperature. So at room temperature, whatever solute you are dissolving into a solution will referred as solubility of the solution. Next question is, if the amount of solute contained in solution is less than the saturation level. Less than the saturation level, that means it is not saturated solution. So this is not a saturated solution. If the solution is not saturated, that means it is unsaturated solution. So unsaturated solution is the correct option. Our next question is mass of solute divided by mass of solution, and it is multiplied by 100. So with this, what we will get? We will get mass percentage of solution. So option C is the correct one. If you have any doubt regarding this solubility and the concept of solubility, then you can refer my video based on the solubility of the solute, which I have mentioned into the description. The next question is, if the solution is 400 ml and solvent is 300 ml, then what is the percentage of solute? Here you have to see that solvent is 300 ml and then we have to find out the percentage for solute. So into the solution there will be a solute and solvent. Here solution is 400 ml. We do not know the solute. We know solvent, that is 300 ml. So our solute is 100 ml. Now here we just got the amount of solute. We have to find out the percentage of the solute. So how to find out that? That we can find out via this formula, that volume of solute divided by volume of solution in multiplication with 100, because we are finding out the percentage of solute. Now we know that volume of solute is 100, volume of solution is 400, and it will be multiplied by 100. So here this 2 zeros I can cancel it out. 25 4s are 100. So 25 will be the answer for this question. So 25 is the correct option. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself.